YOSUDA Pro Cardio Climber Stepping Elliptical Machine. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a comprehensive product analysis of the YOSUDA Pro Cardio Climber Stepping Elliptical Machine, covering its features, performance, usability, and value for money. Key features: 3-in-1 design. Combines the benefits of an elliptical stair-stepper and treadmill-like motion for an efficient full-body workout. This hybrid motion helps target more muscle groups. 18 LUB flywheel and 16 resistance levels. A well-balanced flywheel ensures smooth and stable motion. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance offer scalability from low-intensity recovery sessions to challenging cardio intervals. Quiet magnetic drive system. The machine operates at around 20-26 dB, making it ideal for use in shared living spaces or during early morning late-night workouts. Sturdy frame and compact size. The thick steel frame supports up to 300 LAB and provides good stability during use. Its footprint, approximately 38 x 21, 62 inches, is space-efficient, and front wheels make it easy to move around. LCD console with device holder. Displays key metrics like time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. The device holder accommodates tablets or phones for entertainment or guided workouts. Performance and user experience. Smooth, low-impact motion. The 45-degree incline climbing stride mimics a mountaineering motion, which effectively engages legs, core, and glutes without stressing the knees or joints, making it suitable for users of varying fitness levels and ages. Adjustable resistance. With 16 resistance levels, users can fine-tune their workout intensity. It accommodates both beginner-level and high-intensity interval training (HIIT). Stability. During workouts, the machine feels solid underfoot thanks to its weight, thick stabilizers, and non-slip pedals. It remains stable even during more intense sessions. Quiet workouts. Thanks to its magnetic drive and belt system, it's nearly silent during use. A few users have reported minor squeaks over time, which are generally resolved with light maintenance. Ease of assembly and maintenance. User-friendly assembly. Most users report assembling the machine in 30 to 75 minutes. Instructions are generally clear, and the tools needed are included. Low maintenance. Occasionally, users may need to tighten bolts or lubricate moving parts to eliminate squeaks. These are typical for machines in this price range. Customer support. Experiences vary. Some users report fast, helpful support, while others mention slow response times or delays in replacement parts. Value for money. Affordable price point. The machine typically retails for around $490, but it can often be found at discounted prices closer to $275, $350, depending on the retailer. Strong feature set. Offers premium features like quiet magnetic resistance, a compact design, and incline stepping motion at a budget price. Features typically found on more expensive machines. Good user feedback. With an average rating of around 4.3 stars out of 5 from hundreds of reviews, most customers are satisfied with its performance and quality. However, some reviews point out inconsistencies in long-term durability. Final verdict. The YOSUDA Pro Cardio Climber. Stepping Elliptical offers excellent value as a compact, quiet, and effective cardio solution for home use. Its hybrid motion engages the full body, while the wide resistance range allows users to scale their workouts over time. Despite some minor quality control concerns and occasional maintenance, it remains one of the most feature-rich and budget-friendly options in its category. Recommended for users looking for a space-saving, low-impact, and affordable cardio machine that delivers real results without the noise or cost of gym-grade equipment.